Try not to hurt you. Try not to hurt you. All of it.
Thank you. You all are so wonderful.
Keep dancing.
She does. She's out. Oh.
Kiss to make it better.
Kiss her wrist.
The dog scratched Andy's lip, and he is now down for the count.
It was bleeding.
It was a spot.
That's because your dog are hooligans.
It was a spot of blood. Calm down.
Stinging.
It's stinging.
Alcohol.
You might want to get that checked. It's not supposed to burn. I really hurt my hand, by the way, just so you know. Rita getting her groove thing on with some Jamie.
Can I get a ride on a white horse?
Get it, Rita, get it. Good Lord, Rita's gonna vomit. Andrew, this is the kind of shit that happens at your house. Are you eating chocolate? That's gonna be interesting coming back.
Tequila do not mix.
It really doesn't.
It really doesn't. Ow.
How do you make this stop? I'm tired of holding it. Somebody else take it. Somebody else is cursing.
My glasses will be dirty, yo. I can't be
Not the only thing that's dirty.
I got a hair in my mouth. Oh, I hope it's your hair.
I gotta stop dancing while I'm holding the camera.
You're making people dizzy. What are you doing to them glasses, girl? Trying to clean them.
Ooh, hey. Look at Jamie.
I love you, baby. You know what's really funny? This piece of music.
I thought we were pointing at something.
A lot of times Andy has all these picture frames that still have the other people in them. This little like why have this out? I don't know. Because then I still have the other people in it. Nobody's listening. He doesn't know these people.
No, he doesn't.
None of these people does Andy know.
I'm positive.
Okay, I'm trying to tell a story.
I'm
okay,
listening.
really. Okay. That little piece of music that nobody knows what the hell they're saying. My man, my gizzles, whatever.
But be.
Yeah.
That one.
Okay. So